Hey! In this class, I am going to show you some easy and simple tips of math division. Let's start now. Divide by 2. If the last digit in the number is even, then the entire number is divisible by 2. Remember that divide by 2 is the same as cutting something in half. For example, the number of 24 has 4 as the last digit. 4 can be divided by 2, so the 24 can be divided by 2 also. This is a fun trick. If the sum of the digits in a number can be divided by 3, then the number can as well. Examples. The number 12. The sum of its two digits is 3. So, 12 can be divided by 3. The number 1707. The digits 1 plus 7 plus 0 plus 7 equals 15, which is divisible by 3. It turns out that 1707 divided by 3 equals 569. Divide by 4. If the last two digits divide by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. For example, we know that 14,237,732 can be divided evenly by 4 because 32 divided by 4 equals 8. The rules of divide by 5. If the number ends in a 5 or a 0, it is divisible by 5. For example, 5,684,890 is a number and the last digit is 0, so this number can be divisible by 5. If you don't believe, just try it. Now, it's time for division rules of 6. If the rules for divide by 2 and divide by 3 above are true, then the number is divisible by 6. This is a combination of 2 and 3 rules. For example, 48 is a number, and it couldn't divide by both 2 and 3. So, this number can divide by 6 also. The rules of 9. This is similar to the divide by 3 rule. If the sum of all the digits is divisible by 9, then the entire number is divisible by 9. For example, we know that 18,332,135 is divisible by 9 because the sum of the digit is 1 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4 plus 5 equals 27, and we know that 27 is divisible by 9. The rules of 10. This is very simple. If the number ends in a 0, then it is divisible by 10. Just try it yourself like me. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe now for more awesome video.